Do we fix Mercedes air ride issues? Yes, we do. We've got a couple Mercedes specialists here in our team, got quite a few Mercedes clients. Air ride issues are somewhat common on Mercedes vehicles. We've got decades of experience fixing them, and parts are still ready available for the older ones and the newer ones. So over the last couple decades, we've been specializing in these Mercedes. We've seen hundreds of them at this point. And honestly, for a European vehicle, Mercedes, in my opinion, is building one of the most reliable European vehicles on the road. They hold up pretty good in our area. And then on the other hand, I feel like most of our Mercedes clients, they like to keep their cars in good shape, so they just take a little bit better care of them. That might be part of why they're so reliable. But I want to go over some common things that we're finding related to the air ride on Mercedes vehicles. The most common suspension issue, period, we're finding on Mercedes is failed control arms and ball joints. These are wear items. Mercedes uses quite a few control arms on the front of their car. They ride good, they steer good, they handle good, but they have control arm bushings that fail, that once they get to the point of failure, they actually let the wheels move around when they're not supposed to move around. So you'll start to get a clunk when you accelerate or hit the brake, or start to get kind of a wandering feeling or play in the steering wheel. If that's the case, most common suspension issue on your Mercedes is going to be control arms and ball joints. So that's one of the things we will be looking at every time your vehicle comes into one of our shops. The second most common thing we're finding with suspension systems on Mercedes is air ride system failures. They have Mercedes, a lot of the Mercedes, the reason why they ride so good is they've got an air ride system right from the factory. This is amazing when it's working good, and it'll do some crazy stuff when it's not. So if you park your vehicle and come back out and it is sitting 2-3 inches lower than what it's supposed to be, you've got an air ride system problem. If you've got a warning light coming on your dash related to the air ride, you got an air ride issue. If it's riding stiff or too soft, you might have an air ride issue. Very common for us to diagnose and find leaks and electronic failures in this system. The good thing is it sounds scary, but it's not always that bad. Even if you have to replace the whole air strut, it's not usually as bad as what Mercedes owners are thinking. So get it down to us, we'll diagnose it properly, get you an estimate on what it's going to take to fix it. Third most common thing we're finding wrong with Mercedes suspension is worn struts. Whether they're hydraulic like most vehicles or air like Mercedes, struts are designed to last about 10 years. You got to figure, as you're driving your Mercedes down the road, any imperfection you hit in the road, that strut is cycling the whole time you're driving. It's got to rack up millions of cycles over about a decade, and they just wear down. If it's a hydraulic strut, the fluid breaks down and it just loses its ability to absorb energy and keep that tire planted solid on the road. If it's air, you know, things tend to wear, expand, contract. Same thing. Even if it's air, over the years, those things wear down and your vehicle doesn't ride as good. Braking distance starts to extend, and starts to wear tires a little bit funny. So know that it's common for struts to wear out on your Mercedes, whether they're hydraulic or air, around the 10-year mark. Once again, we'll keep an eye on those as our clients' vehicles come in. We're road testing them and just giving them a good visible inspection anytime their vehicle's in our shop. So if you're here, we're in Layton, Utah. We have 2 shops. We have an East Layton shop as our home base, and we have a West Layton shop here in northern Utah. If you're in our area, we have Mercedes specialists that know all things Mercedes, especially suspension and air ride issues. Reach out to us if you ever need our help.